someone gave me farm fresh eggs, so I decided I'm gonna cook some up. We're going to make an egg sandwich with our Itaki. So the first things first, we're gonna need some milk. You need a 1/4 cup of milk. You can use whole milk. I'm using 2% here. And then we need 2 eggs. I'm cracking my eggs into a separate bowl because, like I said, farm fresh, not sure what I'm gonna get here, so, or how old they are. So just to be safe, I'm doing them in a separate bowl. If you get eggs from the store, or they just were gathered, you could probably put them directly in your cup. And also, if you get any shells, this is a way to separate them out. Did you see the color of those yolks? Beautiful, beautiful. Gotta wash my hands real quick. I'm going to be whisking mine together with a fork. You can use a whisk if you like. But first, let's add in some salt and pepper to taste. You can add other seasonings if you like. Just whip this together until you get a nice homogeneous mix where you don't see any separated pieces of egg. This is looking pretty good, pretty good. To this mixture, I'm going to be adding some sauteed vegetables. So I just used some odds and ends I had in the refrigerator, some onion, some tomato, some leek, and some spinach on the top to round it out. You can use whatever vegetables you like with eggs. And then we're just going to add this in. Mushroom would be good in this. I would suggest sauteing the vegetables. Ooh, bell pepper would be good. But if you saw my first video where I made eggs in the Itaki, I'll link it here. I did an experiment where we didn't cook the vegetables, and it resulted in a more watery egg. So I've cooked them down to get the extra water out. Hey, don't be trying to escape. Nobody gets left behind. Speaking of being left behind, if you haven't subscribed yet, do so now. See who will miss out when I do another one of these amazing videos. So here's our pan. We are going to spray it so nobody sticks. And I'm using the divided tray because this is going to make 2 little egg patties that I can put on a sandwich. Looking good, looking good. Y'all thought I forgot about the cheese, huh? I didn't. Let's put some cheese on here. You know, you could also stir in some nutritional yeast if you needed to. I don't have shredded cheese right now, so I'm just ripping up some cheese slices and throwing them on the top. Oh yeah, I can taste this already. What toppings do you think you would add to this? Leave me a comment below. I'm curious. Let's poke this cheese down so it's not all on the top. I probably should have stirred it in, but hey, here we go. Now let's add water to our Itaki base here. I'm putting in 2 cups. Then my tray. And the lid. Now, I'm not using both trays, but you want to make sure to use that inner gray tray so you get that proper seal on the outside. Plug it in, and then we're going to click start. I'm using the rice meal mode. Someone asked me how loud this thing is, so give it a listen. Just know when you take your lid off, you're gonna have a lot of water. I mean, just be ready for it. this is cooled off a little bit so I can show you, but like that. And that's after I drained it, so just be careful. So here I have a roll that I split in half and toasted. And now I'm gonna add my egg. Don't those look tasty? Perfect. Breakfast is ready to go. And we have one left to make another one. Just so you can see how easy that is to flip out. And cleans up pretty well. I didn't spray the sides. I think I just sprayed the bottom. So you can see. And this is cooled off. I did not pull this straight hot out of that Itaki. It would have burned me. It was very warm. Honey, bon appetit. You could put whatever you want in here, bacon, ham. Let's take a look at this cross section. What do you think? Not bad, very tasty, lots of veg. I hope you guys give this a try. Let me know if you do. Check out my other videos for the Itaki. And y'all have a great day. Au revoir et bon appétit.